Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're someone who values precision, safety, and efficiency in your workshop or on the job site, then you already know how much your table saw means to your workflow. But let's talk about what it's sitting on, because the foundation matters just as much as the tool itself. Today, we're diving into the DEWALT Table Saw Stand DW7440RS, a purpose-built solution designed to support not just your saw, but your entire cutting experience. Priced at $202, it's not just about elevation or convenience. It's about transforming a portable saw into a reliable, mobile workstation. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it's built, how it performs under real conditions, and whether it lives up to the DEWALT reputation for durability and smart engineering. We'll cover the setup quirks, the mobility perks, and the one limitation taller users should know about. Now let's get into the full review and the reasons why this stand might be the best supporting act your saw has ever had. Let me tell you, if you're using a table saw regularly, whether you're working in a garage, on a job site, or just tackling weekend DIY projects, the DEWALT Table Saw Stand DW7440RS is one of those upgrades that completely changes the game. I started out like a lot of guys, just setting my portable saw on a workbench or sawhorses, and thought that was good enough. But after just a few sessions, the limitations became obvious. Awkward height, no mobility, and zero stability when you really start pushing material through the blade. The moment I set up this stand, everything improved. It gives your saw a permanent rock-solid home, but with the flexibility to fold it up and roll it away when you're done. The collapsible design is brilliant, lightweight yet durable, and it stores so compactly that it's no longer a hassle to clear space in the garage. That balance between portability and stability is exactly what the stand delivers, and it's been a total game changer for my workflow. One of the first things you notice when you start putting the stand together is just how sturdy it feels, even before the saw is mounted. The frame has a heavy-duty construction that inspires confidence, no creaky welds or flimsy tubing here. Now, I've got to be honest, the instruction manual, not great. It's a bit confusing with diagrams that don't always match what you're seeing in front of you. But here's the good news, you don't really need it. Within 10 to 15 minutes of unpacking, I had everything assembled. The parts fit together intuitively once you get the hang of it. And if you hit a snag, a quick look at a YouTube tutorial, which honestly every tool owner should have open these days, clears up any confusion. The real magic happens when you lock in your saw. Whether you've got a DEWALT, Bosch, or even a Harbor Freight model, the mounting system works flawlessly once you find the right bolt points. Hint, check under the rubber feet, not the angled frame holes. Once secured, the whole setup feels like one solid unit, and there's absolutely no wobble, even during aggressive cuts. Mobility is where this stand really shines. The large, smooth rolling wheels are a big win, especially if you're working in tight spaces or moving your setup in and out of the garage. I've got mine stored behind some cabinets, and now, instead of lifting and carrying the saw every time, I just unfold the legs, extend the handle, and roll it out like a suitcase. It's that easy. The handle folds down flat when not in use, which keeps the profile compact, and the wheels lock in place when the stand is deployed, so you don't have to worry about it shifting during operation. This kind of thoughtful design makes a huge difference in day-to-day use. I've even used it on less than perfect surfaces like cracked concrete and slightly uneven driveways, and it stays level and stable, thanks in large part to the thoughtful leg placement and wide stance. It's like giving your saw its own rugged, all-terrain vehicle. Another major plus? The footprint. It doesn't take up a ton of space, which is critical if you're like me and have to share your garage with a car, lawnmower, and a mountain of other tools. The compact folded size means I can tuck it into a corner or slide it behind a shelf with no issue. Yet when it's set up, it feels massive and stable like a much heavier stand. That's due to the smart engineering of the leg design. The back legs are slightly longer, which improves balance and keeps everything locked down during use. At first, it looks a little unconventional, but once you see how it performs, you realize it's genius. And while the stand is technically designed for DEWALT saws, I mounted my Bosch model without any issues, and it fits like it was made for it. I've heard some guys try to save a few bucks with off-brand versions, but I'll say this, skip the knockoffs. The materials, the welds, the fit, DEWALT's quality is worth the premium. This thing is built to last. Now, let's talk about one of the few drawbacks: height. For me, at 5 feet 8 inches, the working height is pretty comfortable. But if you're taller, say 6 feet or above, you might find it a bit low. I had a friend over who's about 6 feet 2 inches, and he immediately noticed it felt like he was hunching a little more than he'd like. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to consider. Unfortunately, there's no built-in way to adjust or extend the legs, so if you need a higher stance, this might not be the perfect solution. I'd recommend measuring your ideal working height and comparing it to the stand's total height with your saw mounted. That said, once you're used to it, the ergonomics are fine and the stability far outweighs the minor discomfort. Plus, the trade-off for that lower center of gravity is even better stability, so it's not all downside. I've been using this stand regularly for months now, and honestly, it's become one of my favorite tools, even though it's technically just a stand. It's one of those things that makes your life easier every single time you use it. Setting up and breaking down takes barely 2 minutes. I've wheeled it outside on nice days just to free up space, and when the weather turned, I rolled it back in before the first raindrop hit. That kind of convenience is priceless. It's also incredibly durable. No rust, no loosening joints, nothing squeaking. Everything still works as smoothly as day one. For anyone juggling space, mobility, and stability, this stand hits the sweet spot. Whether you're a pro contractor moving from site to site or a weekend warrior with a packed garage, it solves so many common frustrations. At $202, it's not the cheapest option out there, but it's absolutely worth the investment. Think of it this way. You're not just buying a stand, you're buying time, safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. No more wrestling with wobbly sawhorses, no more back strain from lifting a heavy saw, and no more storing your tool in an unsafe or inconvenient way. The DEWALT DW7440RS delivers on all the things that matter: rock-solid stability, easy portability, smart storage, and reliable build quality. Yeah, the instructions could be better, but that's a small irritation in what's otherwise a flawless experience. If you're serious about your woodworking, even at a hobbyist level, do yourself a favor and get this stand. It might not be flashy, but it's one of those quiet upgrades that makes everything else about using your table saw just better. If your table saw setup feels stuck in neutral, it's time to shift gears. This one simple upgrade can move your workshop from frustrating to efficient in minutes. So don't just stand there. Like this video, hit subscribe, and let's build something better together. Your next project's waiting.